What's the meaning of cartwheel? Cartwheel. Cartwheel.
Cartwheel. Cartwheel. Cartwheel refers to a sideways tumble or somersault, usually performed with arms and legs extended. The movement involves flipping the body over while rotating sideways, with one hand touching the ground to help maintain balance. When executed properly, the cartwheel results in a graceful and fluid motion, with the performer appearing to effortlessly roll through the air. This skill is often used in gymnastics, dance, and other athletic activities to display agility, strength, and flexibility. It can also be a fun and playful activity for children and adults to enjoy.